First Prabhupada.
Hare
Sorry,
Krishna,
Mataji.
Mataji. No problem, Mataji. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Vardhana Mataji. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
you.
you.
May Krishna bless you, dear. May Krishna bless you, dear. And you go back to Godhead. Hare Krishna to you. Hari
Thank you.
Bol.
Bol.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Very beautiful altar, Mataji.
Yeah, just I changed my dress, DT's dress, Mataji, while listening to class.
Wow. Beautiful.
You do every week, Mataji?
No, Mataji. I try to do every Ekadasi, but sometimes I miss it, Mataji.
Yeah, working day means you will do the weekend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even mine is every Ekadasi.
Yeah. I inspired by all by seeing Bhakti Sangha devotees, Mataji.
Your Jagannath is so beautiful, Mataji.
So beautiful.
Beautiful altar, Mataji. Very beautiful.
Yeah. Pray for me, Mataji. I always be in association of devotees and to share Srila Prabhupada, Mataji.
Pray for you. Mataji, Shamdori Mataji, please speak, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Vardhana Mataji. Very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. May Shri Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, may bless you with more and more services to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Thank you so much, Mataji. I really thank you from bottom of my heart. Because of you, we are here, in Bhakti Sangha, because you are such a, you are doing such a prompt service. Every day you are making poster. Making one poster is like a big efforts, Mataji, and you do it that every single day. And even when I ask you to do more, for like when there are more speakers, that one also you do, Mataji, and you are always ready to serve, Mataji. Really grateful to you, and I pray to Lord Jagannath that please, he will bless you with lot of devotion and love of God. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Shyam Gauri Mataji. Don't say that I do, Mataji, but because of you and all the devotees, I get inspiration and somehow I'm able to do little bit of service, Mataji. Other than that, I'm nothing here.
No. Your service is very important, Mataji. It's not like why one time you do it and it's done. No, it's keep on doing every single day. It's really grateful to you, Mataji.
Thank you so much,
You are
Mataji.
always there on the call. Any difficulty or anything is there, you're always there, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for giving me service, Mataji.
Yeah.
Kumatiki Mataji, please speak, Mataji.
Krishna, Vardhana Mataji, have very nice today and eternally every single day, but not here in the eternal abode. Be Krishna conscious and serving the devotees as well as deities and Lord Jagannath. You have Jagannath, you have Radha Krishna, I see, and Bonitai. So you serve them very nicely and always chant Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Kumatiki Mataji. Thank you so much. I met you in Sadhu Sangha, Mataji, last time when it was happened to, I think 2 years back. My you gave a lot of guidance to my kids as well, Mataji. You said not to eat outside food to them. They got so much inspired and they maintained for couple of, I mean, for some days, Mataji. Now they're becoming teenagers, so they eat at school and everything, but they still remember those words, Mataji, in Sadhu Sangha when you told them. Thank you so much, Mataji, for giving your daily association to us. We feel that you are, when I see you on the call, I feel a great support is there in our call, Mataji. Thank you for everything, Mataji.
Every Saturday, I see you every Saturday. Without fail. Thank you very much for your very nice services.
Thank you, Mataji.
Sadhu also all the devotees are sadhu. So yes, serving them also. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
To go. After the yes.
Radharani Mataji, would you like to go?
Hare Krishna, Vardhana Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. Mataji, so inspired with your wonderful service, Mataji. Learning so much from you. You are so dedicated, working and doing so many things. Whenever everybody messages you, like you immediately respond that and do very nicely your service, Mataji, and the greeting service. So much, Mataji. Very nice, very inspired. Thank you so much for having your association. And I wish Jagannath that you have a wonderful day and wish a wonderful birthday, not only on this wonderful blessings, not only on this day, but every day, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Radharani Mataji. Thank you to Krishna for giving me your wonderful association, Mataji. Sometimes I make delay in posting the posters, but you always be patient and keep on reminding me. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much for all your service, what you're doing on Bhakti Sangha, Mataji. By seeing all of you, each and everyone, I get so much inspiration, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. All glory to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Wish we can meet soon, Mataji.
Yeah, sure, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Radharani Mataji. Indulekha Karuna
Thank you,
Mataji,
Vinita
would you like
Mataji,
to?
for giving me Mataji.
Indulekha Karuna Mataji, would you like to go? Are you there, Mataji?
I'm here, Mataji. We have many others on the call, Mataji. I'll wait.
Hey, Mataji, go now. Who is there? Harita Mataji and all. I will ask next. You go.
Lalita Mataji and Dinapandhu Prabhu also there.
I think Mataji, they left the device there, and I think
Okay,
like that
okay.
only. I feel like that because call was not ended, right?
Yes.
Maybe like that. I feel. I will call them and see.
Yes. Hare Krishna, Vardhana Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji. I should say that in Bhakti Sangha, you are the first person to give me a greeting service. So, and that was among the first few services that I did. So very, very grateful to you for that. I'm very grateful to you for all the advices that you give, for training me on how to do posters, Mataji. You're the one who has, you have the account. We just log in and we do all sorts of things, experiments on your account. I really have to apologize for many of them. And you also teach us how to do it properly, Mataji. So thank you so much. Without your real great help, Mataji, I don't think I'll be here or doing any of this. So I'm so happy to have known you, Mataji. You're such a sweet devotee, and you always teach us that we need to be very humble. I love that about you, Mataji. Wish you a very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Very beautiful altar, Mataji.
So, thank you so much, Sindhu Mataji. Sometimes I feel jealous by seeing your posters, Mataji. You do wonderfully than me, actually. In Krishna service, we shouldn't be, but I try to make better. I mean, I'll try, Mataji, but not. You all do very, very wonderful services, Mataji, taking care of kids' classes and everything. I always get inspired, Mataji. Thank you for Krishna for giving me all your wonderful associations, Mataji. Thank you for your prayers for me.
Thank you so much, Mataji. And none of them I make on my own. I have to ask everyone a million times, so many opinions. So I ask Preeti Mataji, Vinita Mataji, so many Matajis. I'll ask, okay, how to do this, how to do that. So that's how something comes up. Without everyone's input, it is not possible, Mataji. And you do it on your own completely. Every time new design, something for, Srila, today Srila Prabhupada's for disappearance day also, you had a wonderful poster, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Earlier, I used to take suggestions from Vinita Gandharika Mataji and Preeti Vilasni Mataji. Now they became so, they are busy in other services, Mataji. I don't want to disturb them. That's why I stopped, Mataji. But earlier, I used to do the same, taking suggestions from them, Mataji. Even from Shyam Gauri Mataji.
Mataji, you make posters all 7 days, and that's not an easy task at all. We get breaks, so we are happy. But you have to do it every single day. That's such a big task. Yeah. Haribol.
Haribol, Mataji.
Very nice, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. I want to speak now. Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Mataji, Vardhana Mataji. Very nice to know you. As everybody said, you are so humble and you speak very little and you do a lot of services. You hide your services behind and say that I don't do anything. And everybody were glorifying about your cooking, Mataji. The other day on the class, I wanted to taste your cooking once. Definitely, I will come to Atlanta to eat your handmade prasadam. So then
Sure, Mataji.
come over there. And Mataji, thank you, Mataji. Actually, initially when I joined Bhakti Sangha, I was hearing your voice for greeting service. I felt this Mataji looks like Telugu only. And I didn't even know personally, but with the voice itself, I recognized that you are Telugu and you are doing so much nice services. And all other Matajis are also were doing, but I got inspired only by your voice to do the service actually. But I don't know how to approach her anybody. But Shyam Gauri Mataji herself approached me for doing this service. I was so happy to enter. And when I was doing the service, I was doing some of the, mistakes. And you nicely, corrected me with a so sweet way, like as if like you were telling, you're like my sister Mataji, and you have corrected those important things that where I should not commit that mistakes. And thank you for teaching me those small things, Mataji, how to do greeting service. And the posters, Mataji, your posters are so beautiful. As Indu Mataji said, Bhagavatam and CC, there is a lot of difference, Mataji. CC has last minute changes. There is no much like that. But your case is always you update something and Mataji says, no, this topic, no, the other topic today. And then you have to send another poster. And there are so many last minute early morning change speaker. That time you send again. So much hard work for Bhagavatam classes compared to CC classes. CC classes are our like Bhakti Vrusha classes like that. It's very, very, nice. It's not needed so much of hard work, but Bhagavatam, so much hard work, Mataji. And your greeting service, Mataji, you are when you do the greeting service, it's so perfect, so nicely, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji, for all your association in Bhakti Sangha. Nice to meet you. Once I met you in Atlanta. I am so happy that I could meet you.
Yeah, Mataji. That time you came for initiation now, Mataji. I couldn't invite to my home. I don't cook everything nicely, Mataji. I make sambar. I that is the only thing I know. Every devotees, whatever program they have, they want sambar, they'll ask me to cook, Mataji. They named me as a sambar Mataji also.
Oh my goodness, cute Mataji. Mataji, I love sambar. If it in that okra, and what is that? Eggplant. And all sorakai even veste naku chala ishtam Mataji. So definitely I will come.
Yeah, I even put.
Now you are tempting us, Mataji.
But definitely when you next time visited Bhakti Sangha, definitely I'll invite Mataji, all of you. And
We are
I'll
having
Mataji.
visit now, Mataji, December. Try to come now, Mataji, Dallas.
Yeah, definitely Mataji. Will,
You come, then we will eat. Everybody will eat your sambar. Not eat, drink actually.
Sure, Mataji.
thank you for giving me services, Mataji. Because of your inspiration, I started doing this posters and everything, Mataji. It is not my initiation or something, but because of you and Shamgori, Preeti Vilasni Mataji, by everybody, I got this services, Mataji.
So sweet. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. Even that drive, that introduction drive, I am maintaining it. I'm maintaining it very badly, Mataji. Please forgive me. Same introduction is pasted so many times. So sorry for that. And
No,
your
no.
drive was full on that day. Please forgive me, Mataji.
Yeah, that all that classes, everything drive was filled up, Mataji, storage. So I moved everything to Bhakti Sangha Japa conference account, Mataji. Now you can find that.
Oh, nice, Mataji.
Yeah.
Even that posters website that I also use a lot for Preeti Mataji summaries, and I keep experiment like you do something special, right? How okay, Indu Mataji is doing like that. Let me also try. Okay, Vardhana Mataji is doing. Let me also try something like that. I keep on experimenting in that site, Mataji. I don't know much, but I just try experiment. Like I want to do like you posters, Mataji. Please bless me, Mataji. Like you and Indu Mataji, both does very beautiful service. So please bless me. So I
Yeah,
can
I see Indu Mataji posters and I also try to make it better, Mataji.
I think Preeti Mataji joined. Preeti Vilasni Mataji is joining. Correct time she joined. Preeti Vilasni Mataji. Preeti Vilasni Mataji. Yes, Mataji. It's your turn only.
Oh, very good. Anyone else is remaining?
I think so. Everybody done, Mataji.
Okay. Can I see Vardhana? I can't show my video, but I want to see Vardhana.
Okay. Just wait,
Yeah,
Mataji. Vardhana Mataji is here only.
I'm here, Mataji, Preeti Vilasni Mataji.
Maybe she cannot hear it. Mataji, you're muted. Preeti Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Vardhana. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I'm so happy that we can continue to have your association through Bhakti Sangha. It was a great pleasure for me to know you in Atlanta and get your association. Honestly, you were one person I would look out for whenever our different Bhakti Vrikshas would meet from the other group. I had a big fascination for you because of the way you would conduct yourself, your humility and your down to earth demeanor that I would be so fascinated with. I was like, how can a person be like this? You know, you would bring so much. I would be like with jaws open sometimes, thinking about your character. So one person definitely I would look out for in these joint Bhakti Vrikshas was you. And I felt somewhat very comfortable with you compared to anyone else. And I still remember once, I don't know, it was, I think Guru Maharaj's appearance day celebrations. And I brought something. I don't know what I brought also. But then I kept asking you, Mataji, is it there? Is it there? Is it there? And I troubled you so much. And then without even a frown in your face, you went and checked it 4-5 times and you came and told me, Mataji, don't worry, it's there. Mataji, don't worry, it's there. I'll never forget that. I found myself so irritating. I was so irritating to you, but still you were tolerating me so much. Mataji, I really like you a lot, especially thinking about those old Atlanta days. I would tell Madhuri Mataji and Vijita Mataji and others because they were pretty close to you. But really, from that entire group, I would really search out for you every time, Mataji. That is a very honest thing that I'm telling. Really like you a lot, and whenever I would see you in the programs, it would be so nice. It would be so nice to see you in Janmashtami and other festivals when we would meet up. So I'm just trying to remember those days. And I think you started joining Bhakti Sangha after, some of the classes by Adigadada Prabhu and others that were hosted on Bhakti Sangha. And I was really, really happy because you became a part of the coordinators group. And that was a big blessing. I think that was through Rajeshwari Priya Mataji. She only made you, I don't know, she contacted you, or I don't know how it happened, or you wrote to us through the WhatsApp. But I was so excited actually that you could also be a part of us, and knowing you and knowing your nature, it's no surprise that you're continuing to serve to this day so beautifully. Vinita Mataji tells so many things about you that sometimes you even, even if you have work, you come out and with the app, you do the Canva posters and all that. I mean, nobody can be like you, Mataji. You have such sweet sense of dedication and simplicity. That's very hard to find, very, very hard to find. I'm a big fan of yours, actually. So, and yeah, your services in Bhakti Sangha. Now I'm so happy we're all together in Bhakti Sangha. And you're very, very precious to us, Mataji. It's the fact you're very precious to us. A day doesn't go by without your service. So that is really beautiful. And yeah, your attitude rubs on to all of us, Mataji. We also feel when we associate with you, we also get inspired to be just like you, though we may not be able to. But at least here and there, a few qualities we try to take from you. So yes, Mataji. And of course, mid-morning drive, that is the thing that I contact you and I discuss with you. And it's very nice. It's such a pleasant experience to every time talk to you or to discuss with you or interact with you in any way. Yeah, that is what I remember now from the top of my mind. And I wish you a very, very happy birthday. You're very special to Guru Maharaj, and I really pray that as soon as possible, all the blocks that you are facing are gone, and very soon you get initiated by Guru Maharaj. You will be one gem of Guru Maharaj's disciple. I really mean it. And you should get initiated, Mataji, somehow. The time will come because you're so sincere and your intentions are so pure. Definitely Guru Maharaj will actually take you, and whatever you're facing mentally, family wise, physically, whatever it could be. I don't know what you're facing. I've never asked you, but whatever it is, everything will vanish, Mataji, just because you're such a nice person. Hari Bol, Mataji. Really, really praying for you this year that you get initiated. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, unmute Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Preeti Vilashni Mataji. As you said, our Siksha Guru Ramchandra Prabhu and Sita Priya Mataji, they left to India. Then Ishwari Kumari Mataji and Rajeshwari Mataji introduced me to Bhakti Sangha. That time we are so in separation from their association. Then I got this opportunity to serve in Bhakti Sangha, Mataji. Then I started doing greeting service, and then I started making posters with the help of Rajeshwari Mataji. And coming to initiation, Mataji, Maharaj gave me so many times opportunity, but I didn't grab that time. Now I want to take, I'm waiting for the day to change my name as a spiritual name, but somehow it's getting delayed, Mataji. I'm praying, and by all your prayers and mercy, maybe Krishna will be pleased and Guru Maharaj will be pleased and give me that opportunity, Mataji. Really, I'm eagerly waiting for that day. Maybe in this lifetime, it may be, I don't know, Mataji, what Krishna plans are. Yeah, I still remember the old good days, that how we have spent time in Atlanta, Mataji, in Shyam Prabhu's group. Yesterday, Govardhan Puja, we went to temple and I met Kanchan Mataji and Shyam Prabhu. When I see them, I remember all your group, Mataji, and how we have done Pani Hati festival, filling that pots, and how services you have done. You have made us to make that Panihati festival successfully, Mataji, every year when you are in Atlanta and in Radhanath Maharaj's Vyas Puja, we all are used to do together. Yeah, those are very good olden days, Mataji. I really wish one day we all sit in Goloka and we talk about all these things. I'm waiting for that day. I may not be qualified, but by all your association, definitely you all recommend me to Srila Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj and Krishna that, oh no, she is also a devotee. I'm wishing the day will come, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So wonderful, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Mataji, Hare Krishna. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Mataji. This is Sanita here.
Yeah, thank you.
Guruji.
Sorry,
Kunyan
did I stop your video, Mataji? I don't know. Okay, maybe. Anta Mataji. Okay. Preeti Mataji, are you speaking something, Mataji?
No, Mataji, I'm done. So wishing you a happy birthday again, and really hope, whenever Maharaj is, I don't know, mostly he would prefer to give it in person. So whenever he's giving it in person, and if he's giving it to Southeast area, I really wish it comes through, Mataji. And I know a couple of others also are waiting along with you, my very close friends from Atlanta. I wish all of you get it, Mataji. I'll be the happiest person. Hare Krishna.
Thank you for all your prayers, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Sorry, Mataji. My video went off for a while. Sorry, Mataji. Mataji, Hare Krishna. So very, very happy birthday, Mataji, to you. So you are such a wonderful coordinator on the call for alternative Saturdays, and you have so much patience to you have so much patience to adjust on the call. So very, very nice, Mataji, to have you as my partner for Saturdays. And so hearing about your initiation, I'm so happy, and your wish that we all want to go for Goloka. So it's really wonderful. And yes, we all want to go for Goloka, Mataji. And I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And you serve more and more Lord Shri Krishna. After you get initiated, you will be serving more, and you will be going to Goloka and stay there along with Radha Krishna, and you will recommend me there also. So I wish that. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Anta Mataji. Thank you so much. Really, yeah, we both coordinate for Saturday introductions, Mataji. Yeah, it was nice sharing with you, Mataji, and thank you so much for all your prayers. Definitely, if I go, I don't know who will go, but definitely we will have recommendation for each other, and we'll sit with.
No worries, Mataji. You will definitely go. You have so much patience. I can see you. And your voice is really wonderful, Mataji. So calm, your voice is. I think I have sent audio also if I'm not able to join the video call because my battery percentage is low also. So I thought I may not join. So, but by Krishna's mercy, he arranged me to make a birthday wish for you today. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Anita Mataji. Thank you for your prayers and blessing, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, I think everybody. Preeti Mataji, the other Preeti Mataji, are you there, Mataji? Would you like to speak? Okay. So we can end the call if there is nobody. So thank you, Mataji, once again, Vardhana Mataji, for all your sweet services to Bhakti Sangha. Please do continue your services, and we all get inspired from you, Mataji.
Thank you, Anita Mataji, for getting me know about Vardhana Mataji's birthday. I was so excited to bless her on her special day. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji, for being the part of it. Thank you so much. I would like to offer my
Sida Mataji also would like to send her birthday blessings and wishes for Vardhana Mataji Kirtida Mataji is not able to come on the call because she's in, I think, the temple and she has many services today. But she really wants to wish you, and she's sending her birthday wishes, Mataji.
Yeah,
Hare Krishna.
thank you, Mataji. I beg at your lotus feet, each and everyone, Mataji. Thank you for all your wishes and blessings. Really, my day started with so enthusiastic, and I feel so happy to be on this group, Mataji. I really thank you for all your prayers, and I also pray for all of you, Mataji, at my lotus feet of my Jagannath, Baladev, and Subhadra Mai. May Krishna fulfill all your desires, spiritual desires, and I'm thanking Krishna for giving all your associations, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. And Radharani Mataji made a video for you. I think again I will post. Maybe Mataji, you can delete that message and again post it now, Mataji, back again. Because I have added her back in the group. So you can do that, Mataji. And thank you once again, Mataji. I would like to offer my obeisances again. Vanchakalpatarobhyasya kripasindhu. Vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Vaishnavruddhi ki jai. Bhagwan ki jai. Vardhana Mataji ki jai. And happy birthday once again, Mataji. Hari bol. Thank you everyone for joining this day and wishing Vardhana Mataji. Nice to see all beautiful faces on the call.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for all your time and for your blessings, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bye bye, everyone. I think I'm hosting another device. I'm between two devices. Closing the call.
Hare Krishna.
Bye bye.